Welcome back, everybody. Well, we were going to do a cold start on the tractor. I got it to turn over 3 times. Then the battery was like weak, I was thinking, so I was like, well, we'll change the battery out. So, I put the other out in a minute. I've got it charging, all this shit. I had jump cables on it. We're getting there. Felt like I had power. I was getting 12 volts. Now we had the truck running at the same time. So, I decided I was going to jump the starter. Well, you can see it's not there anymore. Carburetor's hanging off the side. Well, the starter crapped out on me. That was the battery what was in it. And that one was still fine, so it wasn't the battery. It ended up just being the stupid fucking starter. Well, it's pretty fucking oily. All black. I got shit all inside this thing. And here's the culprit. And the brushes are basically down to fucking nothing on this thing. So we have to replace it. So I've ordered a new one. But it doesn't come with this piece, so I'll have to take this piece off and put it on the new starter when I get it. Oh, what a fucking drag. All I wanted to do today was split some firewood, and this is keeping me from splitting firewood. Till we get the new one in,